Hi, this is Hayden Cardiff here for another 60 Seconds of Safety. Last week, we were incredibly fortunate to have Jeff Mercadante and John Pion on our week of webinars talking about preventing nuclear verdicts. And I think one of the most impactful things that came out of that session was this understanding of being open and transparent throughout the litigation process. Now, why this is really important and can oftentimes feel a little counterintuitive is you want to be able to highlight exactly where you are at all times. You want to be able to put forth all of your data and all of your information because it's going to be discoverable anyways. And so if you are open and honest, both internally with your own counsel, but also with the plaintiff's attorney, you can get out ahead of and narrate your own story to make sure that it never feels like you're being underhanded or slighting the other side by trying to withhold certain information throughout that litigation process. Now, what's really, really important with helping to arm yourselves and your counsel with the best data is to make sure that you are correctly and consistently documenting your safety programs. That is so important throughout this process of preventing nuclear verdicts because again, that data is discoverable and they will find it. So if you have a program, there's a lot of different nuance, a lot of different ways that you can train your drivers. But if you have a dedicated program and then you stick to and follow that program and everything is documented as far as how you're training your drivers, why you're training your drivers, being able to be proactive and predictive in how you're addressing those different issues, and make sure that that stays standard across your organization, you are putting yourself in a much better position because it's not as important as the specific nuance of all the different training practices and programs as it is to document and consistently be able to reproduce those different pieces in the time of a trial. So those are a couple of tips coming out of that week of webinars. Please check out that session and then the rest of our week of webinars at idelic.com. Thank you again. This has been another 60 Seconds of Safety.